First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, it was yesterday, just at the end of the midday show, that we started to see severe weather pop up across the area, but not a lot materialized from that. We did have a few hail reports, some wind reports. There was that possible tornado over just north of Hopkinsville in Christian County, but the Weather Service says that was mostly straight line wind damage, so we had no tornadoes in our viewing area yesterday and very little in the way of severe weather. It was mostly a lot of heavy rain, and now we're just getting some leftovers. Still a few light rain showers showing up on First Alert Live Doppler radar, and these are just kind of going to breeze through this afternoon and keep the cloud cover that we're seeing this morning kind of around for the rest of the day. There could be times when maybe a little bit of sun opens up, especially if you live west of Bowling Green. You're more likely to see some sun breaking through the cloud cover. But in the meantime, we're just getting these little spotty showers that show up here and there, a brief rain shower or some drizzle, and then they just move on. But the clouds and the cold front that moved through yesterday, that's going to keep us cool. 53 right now in Bowling Green. We check other mesonet sites, and we're seeing even upper 40s. Look at Hardensburg up in Breckinridge County, just 49 at the mesonet site there. 50 up in E-Town, 52 in Munfordville, 51 in Hartford. There's 53 in Madisonville and in Franklin, 52 in Scottsville. It's 53 in Burkesville. Columbia checks in with 52 degrees. It's not going to get much warmer than that today. Part and parcel, the winds, of course, are helping aid the cooler air. Look at the northwesterly winds coming in at 15 to 20 and at times even 25 miles per hour. And those breezy northwest winds are going to keep things with the clouds and the occasional showers on the chilly side today. In fact, as we look at our live picture here from Doppler Cam, as we're looking, there's the hill at Western. You see the kind of ominous looking sky there, and this is the perch that we see right there on the Doppler tower that's outside of our studio. So this is the big long shot, and you can see the cloud cover that's really thick at this hour. At times we get some sunshine trying to break through the overcast, and then you get these really dark undersides there indicating we still have a lot of moisture to deal with. 53, the current temperature reading here in Bowling Green, a west-northwesterly wind at 12, 82% humidity. The barometer is rising with the advent of that cold front that came through late last night. Trying to see a little bit of sun breaking through the overcast in Greenville. You're at 52 degrees there in Muhlenberg County at this hour. You've only picked up 1/100th of an inch of rain. Same for Munfordville. Up in Hart County, mainly cloudy. You're at 52 degrees. There's a little bit of blue sky in Russellville, but it probably won't last long. You'll get these times of clouds and maybe a little bit of blue sky. You're at 52 degrees. Currently, Mammoth Cave National Park is a cloudy 51. There's a look at the 12-hour radar loop. The stronger thunderstorms with this system now off to the east of us through the Virginias, down through the Carolinas, heavy rain, severe weather threat there. And notice here's our little showers, little pieces of energy wrapping around the area of low pressure, which is off to the north of us. So what we're getting here is just residual moisture or leftovers from what happened yesterday. Look at all the low clouds. That's that dark area that you see right over Bowling Green in southern Kentucky. This is where the sun is shining, far western Kentucky. So that's why some of you around the Logan County area back toward Christian County, you're getting a little bit of sun mixed with the clouds right now. But look at this chilly 45 in Indianapolis, 53 here, nearly 60 in St. Louis with a little bit of sun there. But we're pacing 11 degrees cooler than at midday yesterday. So there goes the front with the severe weather out to the east. We're in between systems. We actually have enough moisture left over in this weak disturbance that's going to move in tomorrow that will bring a return chance of showers, perhaps even a thunderstorm. It's not going to be as big a deal as what we had yesterday, but still nonetheless, a shower chance is possible tomorrow. And then that front will actually help reinforce the cooler air that we're feeling today, which means the cool air is going to stick around for at least a couple of more days. Cloudy, breezy, cooler this afternoon. That Slight chance of a shower, a cool 59, maybe 60 degrees. That's it today. Cloudy, chilly with a chance of a shower tonight, 44. Tomorrow we'll make it back to only 63 with that shower chance in the afternoon, perhaps even a thunderstorm. Saturday, an isolated shower, but partly sunny, 66. And we finally warm it back into the 70s for the beginning of next week. Election Day looks good. And there we go, back to the 80s by Wednesday. We're back with more Midday Live in just a minute.